Mama wakwaba wo frame Adwoa search him mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Dr. Bawumia Winnie, I will support.
Okay.
Bemom aha sutro wom way ya buru way ya tietia way and obi musu omba yam na me sister mama building no. Wom ko bisa NCA boss no. Baby a ye started Ministry e West Orange and ye started. And you mama you say wom no ebe wiem. Obia obatu aba na wie bia siki ade mama mutobrodo to coke to nsuo gina ho ye kan agent ade ba no na wo de akura di kai dada
Okay.
na the system no fast me dia me ka je me omzo be wi anu ma di me ka we ahye mu nkura say I built my system
Right.
me nyam resource. And do you bear man who say Azimi said 52%? What's the what you Jim get Japan? I'm on 46. Ghana. I better than but if Dr. Bawumia gets 52%, he says, I'll support.
Right.
I will support. So I'm only asking for fairness. Sa company now or King's Hotel or Sahino. Huh? Crystal. Yes, so 2016, I want to security for Goguyo. What are this time? One Sako Campu, one pay unity party, was any of my woman because we are worse than Lalan. Well, yeah, we can tell. Some media are worse than Lalan. Well, my fairness and my power, I'll give them a showdown. And I'm home soon, Upaman knows you because Oma to trust him. One deputy minister, etimi catcher A plus so abano de kan de yam fama no and A plus bisa ne say na kan Japan man fama no a we are sure say mo di man personal say obawu no so want to me ni tie be kwa kopa de chew yeah and me ya me ba no da MP so airport wo kwa catcher me ye wi ya na e be pa ne chew te magimi enti ye be yusu me ni adompo me. Now one is getting a Jimmy for Ben. Was a memo cash. Now many me crown my birthday. Nice Rolls Royce. Not you say your president in Kwana beating me. But I was a Ghana, a GCO, and I'm police station executive brown my bread, and I'm Ghana for a bread. And you my Yankupon Sasio, dear Chayan. Yet Yama China for a Yesika, India for Yesika, Lebanese for Yesika, Nayamiaku and Jimina. My sister, we need to change the economy.
Right. Upon that with me, I but Joan, as seen a me adma echna or more a rep live and colored, no more to me, Ababe support. So Joan, I will track Hanum. We say a few comments on Facebook. Frank Shribo second is what Ghana needs. Vote for him or say 7 NAA and Namene and me Alfred Dodu and so say the okay in ideas here I will share with us and guess it's last year for the government and on Cabo to me this support Nediama Wabena.
Betimi dia yadwuma
okay
ba me nyame ka tourism wo nyina nso musi so bolo na fe me nyare bi
so bola se video rabo
because papa a whole tourism minister say ya obi ewuo no a omone no now the bus afa ni pagum now you don't even drinking so bolo and Jesus Christ maybe nice guys with sharp brains.
I said, who are big swag be say.
Oh, you know, baby.
Yeah, that's so best try. You been how that's only it.
It's
Yami watch Nana pa time being a showdown walk no. Yes, last year 6 a.m. right. I was second D conforce a whole NIS chassis. Me quest the intention me question, but me other colleagues be share conforce na ye no showdown walk near the metropolis mood in the yeah, that's so best try.
More a lot of resources. Yankupon Edia Chayen. We should be able to develop it.
Okay.
I am not a myopic thinker. I think big and I dream big and I do things big. That is the only way you bet me I reduce unemployment rates. And delegates are menemo kasa mesramo empenfo bi eyiye yo enkuanti omu pese obia ho beto no na omu nkuwa ho beto nti ye ka kire se kotuma ni pasmesi any pasmesi so tuma na you can break the 8 with my lips. Anybody who has served under this government said Ghana for the man a chance to break the 8 in the Obua.
Honorable Intino, o kanesa na I say other 3 candidates can one more call 4th November day no open and obey me break it.
Yes.
Because more can win under this government.
I want one candidate and obey me just obey me break it. Me a 1 year ma Ghana for when you da so so ba obey me a wonka.
Nipa ba kwa enim no race mo a o lead mo na 26 or winning massively onya vote kesepa Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. And Obianim vice president is everywhere.
Now check his performance. The man came with economy. Now he's not even talking about the economy. You see, I'm not here to talk about Obia. Maybe I'm talking about myself, what I have done for this country. I can't afford confidence in me. When I talk to you, you said, make creative employment. I can show you numerous examples of businesses that have created that. I have over 7,000 workers. In the history of Ghana, there is no politician or person or president who created job, even 1,000 workers. So if I tell you, say Ghana, our biggest challenge is unemployment. I am ranting here. If I'm given the opportunity, I will create employment for them by establishing businesses all over the constituencies and the regions. And I can do it because in Penfose you can see all the factories that I have everywhere. And when madam, I am surprised that when NPP say jata and buy no say what's the medicine say question and they could do a bonnet no Ghana for everywhere. I'm say one penny pass mercy ama yentoaba what's a chinchina but the pass mercy never go. But you see mami kanchiro ministers bia womudi echire ya no mu afim say if you have served 8 years no leader leader no mudi na chi oba on for 8 years and only maybe 16 years. He won't do it. And to the way
reasons near thing.
Now we're going to stop young to him.
But Yabuawa, so
now Yabuawa, near Kosovo Western region. A dear nature of the uncle for whom I may be. Why is someone PSC a kind of media means ready? You see, no Kurani can't ding. O kanu kwa che timi kani pandompe